Welcome to World Review Zone's and other videos. Installing a ductless AC system could be the better choice if your home doesn't have existing ductwork. Since these systems don't require air ducts, the initial costs are usually lower, and the installation process is typically on the quicker side. Of course, there are various other factors you'll also want to consider before making your decision. There are many products available on Amazon to choose best ductless mini split air conditioner, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices, to help you make a perfect decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ductless mini split air conditioner from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video and stay till the end of this video. Number 1. Pioneer Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner. One of the best mini split air conditioners with a self-cleaning mode that offers 12,000 BTUs of power, comes with an installation kit, and features an energy efficiency rating of 19 for cooling, and 10 for heating. Ductless mini split air conditioners are a quick way to upgrade your home with an energy-efficient HVAC system that saves you energy costs, without the stress of having ductwork installed like with a fine central air conditioner. We like the Pioneer Mini Split AC because it has a solid energy rating and is easy to install. You like that it offers a 19.5 seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER, and a 9.5 to 10 heating seasonal performance factor, HSPF, meaning that you can use this air conditioner to effectively heat and cool spaces. We think it's the best mini split air conditioner because it offers 12,000 BTUs of power, which is sufficient to heat or cool smaller spaces in the range of 300 to 450 square feet. You like that this pick comes with an installation kit, which is fairly common for split air conditioners. This includes a 16-foot copper pipe and all associated parts to safely install the external compressor and ductless interior section. As is also common, you'll also get a wireless remote with an LCD screen that is backlit for easier use in dark or low light conditions. You'll appreciate that this pick also has a self-cleaning, eco, and follow me mode. And just in case you're planning a camping trip, you should definitely take a peek at the best portable AC for camping that will keep you cool in your tent or cabin. Or, to also stay warm, you'll want the finest portable air conditioner and heater combo. Number 2. Senville LETO Series Mini Split Air Conditioner. A ductless air conditioner that's whisper quiet, with 9,000 BTUs of power for an efficient and cost-effective air conditioning and heating solution. The Senville LETO Series Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump with a 9,000 BTU cooling capacity is an excellent purchase if you're looking for an efficient and cost-effective air conditioning and heating solution. This system uses inverter technology, which allows for precise temperature control and minimizes energy consumption, resulting in lower energy bills. The unit also features a whisper-quiet operation, making it ideal for use in bedrooms or other quiet spaces. Additionally, the system comes with a remote control, enabling users to adjust the temperature and other settings from a distance. One of the drawbacks of the Senville LETO Series Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump is that it requires professional installation, which can add to the overall cost. Additionally, while the 9,000 BTU capacity is suitable for smaller rooms, it may not be sufficient for larger spaces. However, if you're looking for an efficient, quiet, and convenient air conditioning and heating system for their home, the Senville LETO Series Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump is a great option to consider. But if you're still thinking of getting one of the best window ACs, why not have a look at the best LG air conditioner? Number 3. Cooper & Hunter Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner. Why we like it. A 12,000 BTU mini split AC unit with 4-in-1 functionality that has one of the highest heating energy efficiency ratings at 13.5 HSPF. While most people think about air conditioners as being able to only cool a space, one of the biggest selling points of a ductless mini split air conditioner is that they can effectively heat and cool rooms. We're including the Cooper & Hunter Mini Split AC unit because it has one of the best heating energy ratings that we found through our research for this product category. You'll get a 21.5 SEER for cooling and 13 HSPF for heating functions. Note that this pick is a 12,000 BTU air conditioner that is rated for rooms from 301 to 377 square feet. We like that this is another great 4-in-1 model that includes cooling, heating, a dehumidifier, and a fan. You'll also get a Wi-Fi enabled appliance that can be controlled either through the included remote or with the smartphone app that comes with this air conditioner. You'll also get self-diagnosis refrigerant leak detection and a two-way draining connection. And again, we found that while this pick promises quieter operation as compared to competitors, the sound output is a bit higher, with a range from 25 to 36.5 decibels, depending on your fan speed. And, for vertical window installation, check out any of the best dual-hose portable air conditioners on the market today. Number 4. MRCOOL Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner. The best split air conditioner for the tech-obsessed, thanks to the Smart Assistant integration functionality, while still offering a solid 12,000 BTUs of power. People who would otherwise not install a traditional ducted air conditioning system often find that mini-split ACs are a great project since it requires minimal effort as compared to installing ductwork in a home. The MRCOOL mini-split is a great option for people who need to cool larger rooms, and especially for those who want all of their appliances to be smart integrated. You'll get 12,000 BTUs of power, making it ideal for rooms around 500 square feet. You'll also get a 22 SEER for cooling, and 10 HSPF for heating, which makes it one of the best split air conditioners. If you're focused on smart assistant integration, this pick can be controlled either via the proprietary SmartVac app, Alexa, or with Google Assistant. The smartphone app works on Apple and Android devices, as long as you have an internet connection. But if you prefer the traditional remote, this model comes with a backlit remote. We like that this air conditioner includes self-diagnostic features to detect leaks, low refrigerant, and any other problems. Likewise, you get the Follow Me feature which automatically cools the room based on where within the space you leave the remote, rather than solely relying on the air temperature immediately around the indoor unit. Keep in mind that this is a single-zone system. For outdoor units, you will want the best evaporative air conditioner, which is also ideal for people who live in drier climates. Number 5. Pioneer Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner. A serious heavy-duty capacity ductless air conditioner, with up to 24,000 BTU capacity for dual-zone support and a solid energy efficiency rating. For people that are trying to heat multiple rooms or spaces, they're going to need a dual-zone mini split air conditioner for heating efficiency. A dual zone means that you can use one exterior compressor to power two, or in some cases more, interior units. This Pioneer pick is a great dual zone option, with an impressive 24,000 BTUs of power to provide plenty of heating or cooling relief through the two interior units. Because of the higher BTU rating, you can heat or cool spaces from 600 to 800 square feet. And you'll also get an 18.5 to 21.3 SEER, as well as a 10 HSPF rating. Note that if you wanted to, even though we're only highlighting a dual zone, you can opt for up to 5 zones with this manufacturer. You'll get the installation kit with an impressive 25 feet of piping. The air filters are also permanent and washable. This model comes with 2 remotes, one per interior unit. However, we did note that these units are noisier than the competition, emitting up to 62 decibels when in operation. The sound output is definitely worth thinking about, especially when installing the best tower air conditioner in your bedroom. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.